Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. How to make a cup of coffee? Materials and ingredients: sugar, coffee powder, hot water, a cup, a spoon. The procedure are: put 2 spoons of sugar and 1 spoon or coffee powder in the cup. Pour some hot water in the cup. Stir it well. The hot coffee is ready to drink. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.